can you show both your feet? I see you got that one, and then you got the. You look like every seal, right? Who was on compensation back in the. Even if they weren't on compensation, what they would do, just in case that the government was looking, one had one. You know the shoe that they would go to. Have you ever seen them when they go to the weddings? Right, they would still get it would top, but he was on compensation.
Yeah.
So just in case the people were looking, he'd go to the weddings, bello o vestito. Then you'd look down and you'd see, bello o shoe from the wedding, and then
You seen this guy?
a pantofola on the other one.
But you notice too, they also have the tie is always never straight for those people.
Oh yeah, right. That's funny.
If you think about it,
And they used to have a colaro.
Yeah.
And then you'd see him on the dance floor. But hang on a minute. You've got a colaro here like this, and you're on the dance, and then they see the camera, and then they
I'm fucking straight now.
Yeah, mate. The good old days when every seal was on the